Hi friends, welcome to Moven's PowerPoint tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create title slide using shapes. We're going to learn how we're going to create a presentation title like this, and the next design will be like this. This is a simple one like this. Next slide like this. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, let's go and learn how we're going to create this in PowerPoint. For today's tutorial, I am using Office 365 version. Others may be using previous version or older version like 2019, 2016 or 2010. But the concept going to remain the same. Some of the menu option may be differ from version to versions. Let's go to Home, click on New Slide and click a blank presentation. Secondly, we are going to use the shapes, bigger shapes. So we wanted to see the full view of the slide. Let's zoom out a little bit and go to View and enable the guidelines and grid lines. This will help us to align the pictures as per our requirement. Go to Insert, click on Shapes, select the oval, press Shift and drag from outside the slide. Click on like this, click shape no outline, and again click on insert, insert a new one more oval shape, shift, drag it like this and give no outline and fill color, make it white color and select again Control D. Control D is for duplicate and select a shape and give this orange color and align like this. And move on to, we have to insert the title slide. For that, we need to click on Insert, go to text box and put it like this. Give the presentation title, presentation title, and increase the font size. If required, we can give a bold letter. And align center. Make a duplicate of it. Control D is for duplication. Make a presenter name. Change the heading to presenter name. And for this, give different font. Go to some other option. Give a lighter thing. Presentation like this. And if required, will align. This also will align center. So using the oval shape, we have created the title slide like this. Go to new slide, new blank slide, click on like this, insert. Now let's take a shape, this one, rounded corners rectangle, drag like this, just rotate, place it like this, select on this, Control D is for duplicate and slightly put it like this and press Control D 3 times. So this will give you totally 5 boxes. Let's go to each box and give it different colors. There is a color palettes available. We'll select on each color. Okay, select all, shape outline, no outline, and move to previous slide. Take this presentation title, copy, and paste it here like this. So our presentation will be look like this. So using rounded rectangle, we have created a presentation title like this. Then let's move on, create a blank. Let's select new slide, blank presentation, go to insert shapes, select this option called arrows. Just select like this, reduce the arrow size, click on shape, no outline, Control D for duplicate, put it like this, and Control D. Let's change the color, go to shape fill, let's put orange for this, let's select this, put a green color for this. Control A, Control G for grouping, and just to make a duplicate of it, Control D, and go to rotate 90-degree, and one more rotate 90-degree, and just put opposite of it. Let's put it like this, and also slightly will adjust, and we'll go back to title slide. Just we'll copy this and paste it like here in the center of the slide. So now we created the presentation title using the arrow. So far we have created 3 slides using oval shape, round corner rectangle, and the arrows. Last slide we are going to create using diamond. Let's go to new slide, select the blank presentation, go to shapes, go and select the diamond. Just drag it over here, select shape, no outline, Control D for duplicate, and we'll just paste it like this, and put Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. So we have selected 7 shapes. Okay, let's go and give a colors for each colors. Let's orange, fill with different colors. And select Control A and Control G. Control G is for a duplication. Just put it over here, make a Control T, and put just align the picture like this, and then Control D, Control D, Control D. Just go back, select the presentation title, and paste it in the left corner, and using diamond our presentation title will look like this. Friends, we learned how to create 4 different shapes, using 4 different shapes, how to create the title slide. And last, I am going to give you a bonus trick to you. Just go to design. Let me go to thumbnails. I'll remove this, and we have created the 4 slides. Let's go to design. Under the color palettes, you have to select the colors. By default, it will be select as office. Now we just going to select some different color palette. See, look at here. Once I'm clicking, I'm just rolling the mouse over there, colors are changing. So I'm just wanted to select any of the different colors. So I'm clicking red, orange. You can see all the PowerPoint slide color changes to different colors. So this way we can present in a different color palettes on every presentations. And last, look at here, I have created few more slides designs which will be uploaded for your ready to use. Thank you friends. Let's see new topic in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.